But okay, I'm going to posit something. Because somebody better posit something. I'll posit, okay? I'm not the posit, but I'll posit. What should rally today are things like Colgate, Bristol Myers, Clorox, Merck, and Pfizer. Because if we're really going into recession, those companies do better. They're going to be able to lay off people if they have to, but they don't really. They'll be able to get employees for much less money, and that's what works. So that's what we should be looking at.
And those employees will come to the office.
No, they will if they're told.
That could be a better thing.
I have 3 friends who are sick right now, and it's like they're dropping. Fortunately, they've all been vaccinated, but they can't
none of them
are
going to end up in the hospital, thankfully. So that's a good thing.
But you know what Humana said to me?
I don't.
What? I'm just giving you. What?
I'm talking about the fact that people are going to start to come back to the office if they have less leverage with their employers, and their employers want them to come back.
Okay, that's good. That's really empirical thinking. Broussard from Humana said to me that it's now like the flu.
Yes. Okay. See,
the serious infection rate's lower than seasonal flu.
Right. That's why Broussard is right.
Right. Which means
that's why Cigna's right.
Are we post-COVID now in terms of treating it as anything different than?
Well, not in China. Okay, so Cigna. Hold on just a sec. Cigna. Didn't you say they announced a buyback?
Yeah, $3.5 billion announcement.
Well, KLA-Tencor announced a gigantic buyback. How much is that down? Down to KLA-Tencor. I mean, guys, come on, don't sell KLA-Tencor into the buyback.
Well, this is the
$6 billion repurchase, 24% increase in dividend. Nobody cares about a semiconductor company.
Semis are really the picture now, Jim, is about CapEx cuts. If this Samsung news is actually true about halting, if inventories are that bloated that you're telling your suppliers stop.
If inventories are that bloated, then you should buy Ford Motor, which has been the one that's most hurt by semi shortage. And they have buyers for everything. Unfortunately, they've got a lot of warranty problems.
Yeah.
What are you reading there? The Boeing
I'm
piece?
reading the downgrade by J.P. Morgan of Warner Brothers Discovery. Obviously, a name that I've followed.
Well, was it really a downgrade, or was that a reinitiation?
It was not rated.
Thank you, guys. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Moved to a neutral rating. They had not been rated. You're absolutely right. And it's very kind of neutral. It's sort of exactly what you might expect from that. Not necessarily saying that the stock is overvalued, but just pointing out the direct-to-consumer strategy is certainly under question, broadly speaking, right now. Performance of that stock has not been good at all.
Would that be a stock you wanted to buy?
Prior to the deal, since the deal, yes, they're 4.5, 5 times levered. Although J.P. Morgan, for its part, believes they will overachieve on their synergy guidance.
Okay.
But doubts about the company's ability to grow in aggregate.
Yes. Yes, and the price target is, where are we now on this
22.
thing? Yeah, it's...
Do you think that Zazzle
that's the thing. You have a neutral rating. You have a neutral rating, but you see $8 up on a $14 stock. So, what?
Well, what?
Why wouldn't you have a buy? Well, your price target's 22. $8 up on a $14 stock. What's that percentage-wise?
Then you're going to be known as having a buy of a company that goes down 5 more points. I don't know.
That's why research, I just find it maddening.
Look,
but sometimes it's worth reading.
Did you give me the Swiss sell list? I know more than these analysts.
Yeah, I told you the Swiss sell list. It's every name you know. Well.
Yeah. You ever been to Switzerland?
I have been to Switzerland.
There's no gum on the sidewalks.
There's no, excuse me?
Chewing gum on the sidewalks.
No, Switzerland is a very beautiful country.